A month ago, the popular YouTube crypto influencer Bitboy Crypto disclosed in a video that he bought a Lambo with ADA. The description content of this video read, "How did I get a Lambo? I bought crypto during the bear markets. I especially bought Cardano. In the last bull run, ADA was one of the best performing coins." It's so amusing that the token, which has been regarded as a ghost, just landed a Lambo for Bitboy. Way to go, Cardano. In 2021, a little-known digital token attached to the Cardano blockchain surpassed other top altcoins to become the third largest virtual currency worldwide, as network developers aimed to capitalize on the surge in decentralized finance that was sweeping the world at the time. The popular altcoin traded on cryptocurrency exchanges like CoinSwitchCuber. Cardano's native coin, ADA, defined a major price crash warning to soar to an all-time high, climbing above the previous record, and for the first time, the ADA USD rate of exchange surpassed $2.56, marking the culmination of a 154.54% price increase that had earlier begun. This was achieved despite renowned trader Peter Brandt's warning of a price dip, which was predicated on a typical bearish pattern known as the head and shoulders pattern. When the price of ADA coins soared by almost 50%, there was a growing confidence that new technological advancements will enable payment systems on Cardano earlier than predicted. This was speculated to allow its network to provide profitable services like DeFi, where Ethereum held a dominant position. Therefore, ADA was among the most highly sought-after cryptocurrencies for new traders due to its still relatively low price and excellent marketing as one of the potential Ethereum killers. There is little reason to suspect that Cardano is a favorite of the crypto world, and ADA will still be among the highly sought-after cryptocurrencies in the future. Then, the Solana blockchain ecosystem began to take shape with DeFi and NFTs. But even though Cardano had no actual use cases yet, the cryptocurrency's market capitalization was about 4 times the size of Sol's market capitalization of $20 billion. Cardano practically rose from the ashes on the backs of speculators and the promise of a fantastic and extremely transparent development team. That was 2021, and the story still sticks to our hearts like it happened yesterday. So how is Cardano ADA faring now? It has been worse compared to its ride in 2021, however, there are reasons to trust the process. Recently, a respected voice in the crypto community shared his perspective on the potential growth trajectories of both Bitcoin and Cardano. In a bold prediction, of course, Dan Garmedello, the founder of Crypto Capital Venture and popular host of YouTube channel with the same name, tweeted that Bitcoin and Cardano are poised for significant increases, expecting Bitcoin to reach 200,000 and Cardano to hit $15. Hashtag Bitcoin to 200K, hashtag Cardano to $15. Just a matter of time, he said. 2 days earlier, the veteran crypto enthusiast told his over 239,000 Twitter followers that he has been building on Bitcoin and accumulating on Cardano in what he called the ultimate crypto power play. He tweeted, "Lately I've been building on hashtag Bitcoin and accumulating on hashtag Cardano. It's the ultimate crypto power play." Dan Garmedello believes that the crypto sector is on the cusp of a notable shift, primarily led by Cardano and Bitcoin. He further asserted that these cryptocurrencies were strategically positioned to reap the fruits of this significant opportunity. He expanded on this viewpoint in a video update on his YouTube channel on May 9, 2023, explaining why he believes that these two cryptocurrencies are in such a promising position. In addition, while a large part of the cryptocurrency market continues to swim in the sea of red, Cardano ADA has not stood out. However, the cryptocurrency community still holds bullish expectations for its price soon. An exceptional reason to believe in Cardano's speculated prosperity is its raging emphasis on decentralized finance. DeFi is an interesting part of the crypto world, and if there's anything that would give Cardano significant leverage, it would be it. A year ago, the Cardano founder, Charles Hoskinson, warned of an impending decentralized sector identity war as the crypto sector moves towards mass adoption. According to him, the wars will likely accelerate in the next 24 months, and if the sector does not get decentralization right, it will mean a bleak future for the crypto space. He said this during the Web Summit 2022 on November 24th. The Cardano founder stated that with the smart contract wars over, the decentralized identity would be a big wow, noting players in the sector understand the area as the choke point. Quote, "It's going to be one of the most competitive areas in the space in the next 24 months. The smart contract wars are over, it's commoditized, and lots of stuff is happening. The identity wars have yet to begin, and this is going to be a big one." In general, Hoskinson, who also doubles up as the Ethereum co-founder, stressed that the war winners should be decentralized to secure the crypto sector's principle. Hoskinson's sentiment comes after Cardano's parent company Input Output unveiled the world's first decentralized index. Hoskinson has indeed expressed his frustration with most crypto projects launching publicly on the grounds of being decentralized, yet there needed to be a specific measure to use. Quote, "I am tired of being in an industry where every single person says, We're decentralized. What does that mean? We don't have a way of measuring. It's like saying we're performant. These are just puffery. These are just words. The problem is that decentralization is a measurement of resilience. It's a measurement of control. It's a measurement of reliability. And it's incumbent in the way that protocols are designed. End quote. This simply means that if Cardano is intentional about getting decentralized, it needs to be resilient, reliable, and everything Charles Hoskinson thinks about decentralization. Also, when smart contracts were about to hit the Cardano ecosystem, developers were excited because this development would avail them the opportunity to build decentralized finance apps to lend, borrow, and trade assets without intermediaries. But critics were not so sure that Cardano is up to the task. Cardano was not built for the current DeFi landscape. Eric Wall, chief investment officer at crypto fund Arcane Assets, told Decrypt. In its current state, it's going to require tons of workarounds for developers to build certain types of common DeFi applications, he explained. However, Cardano's recent remarkable strides in DeFi seem to be winning the stage steadily. Perhaps Cardano needs to work more on the areas that stir up conflicting opinions about it. The little flaws, and errors leave too much to be desired. Bitboy Crypto might have gotten a Lambo with ADA, but the ecosystem is still shrouded with negativity and outrageous outbursts. In 2022, a falling out between two startup projects on Cardano spilled out into social media, reaching such rancor that Charles Hoskinson took to YouTube to admonish the teams to get your crap together. The conflict was between CardStarter, which described itself as a decentralized accelerator for startup projects focused on Cardano and SundaeSwap, and a decentralized exchange built on Cardano. At the heart of the matter is what appears to be a soured marketing agreement that got the two project leaders accusing each other of broken verbal commitments and promises. The dispute was believed to cast a pall over Cardano, which is often described as an Ethereum killer as the result of its ambitions to compete with Ethereum, the second largest blockchain, which has become the dominant venue for the development of technologies ranging from decentralized finance, known as DeFi, to NFT trading. Even Charles Hoskinson, who previously helped found Ethereum, acknowledged that this dispute risks damaging the brand of the ecosystem as a whole. But the spat between CardStarter and SundaeSwap has been in the making for a long time, starting with its initially harmonious plan to join forces, but ended with harsh recriminations on both sides and complaints of steep financial losses. In an attempt to put an end to this disgraceful brawl, Hoskinson said, "Please, people, get your crap together. Both sides come together, agree to arbitration, talk to each other, and figure out whatever the hell it is you need to agree to get done. And if you can't somehow survive the arbitration process, the courts are always available to you." When asked whether the dispute would affect Cardano's reputation, Denis Vinokourov, head of research at Corinthian Digital, said it was another example of communication gone wrong in the world of digital assets and crypto project launches. He said, "Regardless of the actual situation between SundaeSwap and CardStarter, acting like squabbling squirrels in public is not a way to go and only hurts Cardano's prospects of competing for institutional money allocation. The point is that these controversies end up hurting Cardano ADA, and people are talking down on the ecosystem and it's still battling to keep certain things under control. Cardano needs to step up, above controversies, so that the words of Bitboy Crypto about ADA can be trusted. I've been staking for the last 3 years with ADA. Love the staking mechanism, definitely bullish on the long term," a user commented on Bitboy Crypto's video. But that's going to be it for today's video. Make sure you click on the subscribe notification buttons, and we'll see you in the next video.